Get ready for the wildest heavy machine fails. From unbelievable mishaps to jaw-dropping mistakes, these epic moments will have you on the edge of your seat. Let's dive into the chaos. Here's a classic human error. The engineers overlooked the boom arm and bucket weight, roughly 20% of the excavator's total weight, causing it to lean and inevitably tip over. What a disaster! A serious mistake occurred when this plane struck high voltage wires and ended up on fire. The train was plowing through so much snow that the engineer had to sound the horn continuously throughout the trip. Here's a calm truck driver dealing with a tough situation. After a semi-truck lost its last two axles while turning, his boss told him, "Leave your frustrations behind." Remarkably, he did just that. Look at this excavator still working hard to dig sand. It is emitting thick, toxic gas. Wow, look at this giant crane tower collapsing. What a terrifying sight! A shocking incident at Chicago's O'Hare Airport during a snowstorm saw a China Airlines cargo plane lose control while landing and skid into the baggage area, causing damage. Look at that massive concrete slab on the tow truck. It's bound to tip over. Looks like Operation Save the Horn is underway, with the team making an incredible effort to help the overturned bulldozer. After being pulled up, it made a quick getaway, but its bad luck continued. Logging is hazardous, with loggers often overloading vehicles and ignoring safety, leading to accidents. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Uh-oh. Looks like this truck crane thought it could carry the weight of the world, or at least a boat. Down it goes, tipping over like a bad dance move at a wedding. Whoops, this truck, with absolutely nothing on board, just decided to take a little tumble. Guess it wanted to practice its gymnastic skills. Who knew trucks could be so acrobatic? Well. Looks like this tower crane decided it was time for a dramatic nap. It just went down like a toddler who skipped their afternoon snack. Watch out below. It looks like this bulldozer decided to take an unexpected swim, courtesy of a sneaky sand push. Another crane mishap. This truck crane tips over, reminding us that heavy machinery requires precise handling to prevent accidents. Handling a several-ton anchor on a cargo ship is challenging. On this Greek ship, the anchor drop was disastrous. The chain unraveled quickly, causing a fire. The chain brake broke, and the anchor sank. Even without its two rear wheels, this truck is still moving smoothly around the construction site. At first, I thought there was a person in the excavator, but then I realized it was being operated remotely. Either way, the navigation by the remote operator is poor. This tractor becomes so vulnerable under such strong pulling force. What a pity. Hold on tight. This crane in New York City just couldn't handle the pressure and decided to take a nosedive. It's like a dramatic movie scene, but without the special effects. Another extremely dangerous moment reminds us that being a pilot isn't as easy as it seems. They still haven't pulled the truck out, and now they've overturned the crane into the river to make matters worse. It's like they're throwing a barbecue party no one wanted to attend. This has happened to me often, but never this deep. Rule number 1 for all machines: if you're stuck more than a meter deep, don't try to free yourself alone. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. This truck tried to make a getaway right after being rescued, but it was caught just in time. A powerful truck got stuck in the mud, and when Ross tried to pull it with a dozer, the chain snapped, sending it down the slope. Miraculously, it emerged unscathed, as if God had stopped it. Oh no, the mess happened as a result of losing balance. Fortunately, no one was injured in the incident. This is one of the most dangerous jobs. Here's what a diesel engine with nitrous sounds like. Wow, this truck is really overloaded. It's like a gene goer trying to lift too much weight. What a nerve-wracking situation! The operator made a dramatic escape from the excavator. Oh no! When this ship crashed into the structure, everything fell down like a giant domino game. Fire broke out, making the situation more dramatic and terrifying than ever. During construction, a dump truck struck a power line, causing an electric arc. The intense heat increased tire pressure, leading to explosions and one wheel flying off. I guess this driver didn't clear the snow just to get this cinematic shot. The guy is lucky. I've never seen anyone handle a stuck tree like that. You'd think he could jump out of the way, but he had no chance.